This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Dana Gustafson. Kiln Creek is a wonderful golf community. This home has an open and airy floor plan. The great room opens to the dining area and kitchen. Primary bedroom on the first floor. Total 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths and a loft area. New carpet and fresh paint throughout the home. Kiln Creek community amenities include a swimming pool, tennis courts, and walking trails. It also has a public golf course located within the community. Easy access to interstate. Near NASA, Langley AFB, featuring Eustis, and shopping. For more information, review the details below.